Altcoins over the last month or two or three have actually hit an astronomical high in terms of their search volume on Google. Now, we've just entered the dreaded month of September, and typically September is a bearish month for cryptocurrency, but it doesn't mean it's going to go that way, though it is probable and quite likely that September could see a bit more downside. On average, we usually look about 10% downside for September alone, but it doesn't mean that this will 100% happen. Now, what I want to check out, guys, is some crypto altcoins I'm buying right now in this particular month, especially if we get a bit more downside. I'll be dollar cost averaging even harder. And yeah, I'm overall bullish. So let's talk about it as we see the altcoin search term fully trend and hit a maximal high on the Google Trends software here on a worldwide parameter with a 5-year search term. So you can see how big altcoins have grown. And it's true that altcoins could flip potentially the valuation of Bitcoin. Now, if you're buying alts, guys, don't look any further than Bitchenix down below. They've got your back. I'm doing my shorts today with Bitchenix Exchange, and I'm absolutely loving it. They've also got some very juicy copy trading. Now, let's move on. The link is down below, but the first coin on this video, it's going to be Solana here. So Solana, it's one that's in a little bit of downside. It's very volatile. It's nothing of the stability that Ethereum sees or Bitcoin or XRP. But I like that because it gives you good dollar cost average and entry points, and it sets you up for a long-term investment in most cases. Now, of course, this isn't financial advice, right? But you can see sitting at $200 on the nose, it could be possible that we see Solana drop in price a little bit. And it actually had $217 of valuation literally just a week ago. And that gives you a good example of some of the volatility here. But I believe that we might see Solana drop again to about $190, $180 for September. And if it does, because I still believe we're going to have an end of year bull run, that could be a good setup and entry point for the potential $250 to $300 that we might see here for Solana. So, oh yeah, I'm bullish on Solana. Absolutely. The market cap is just 107 billion. And I think honestly, Solana for me has a good 300 to 500 billion potential in the next 5 years or so. So definitely Solana is one altcoin that I'm looking at right now. The next one is going to be this little gem right here. Token 6900, which is launching in just 2 days, guys. Just 2 days. A lot of people are getting excited about this particular token. And yeah, 2 days, 2 hours to go. If you're looking for a new altcoin, which is priced in right now at 0.007125, they've raised $3.2 million and will be launching on exchanges very soon. In a nutshell, this token is an SPX 6900 alternative. They are piggybacking on the success of that, but they're also creating a very strong memecoin community, which focuses on the early 2000s and 90s sort of vibes, right? Really cool. We can see the total supply is 930,993,091 coins, which is just one more than the SPX 6900 ecosystem. I really like how they've done that. Doing research, you can see this coin is everywhere. It's on Coin Central. It says best crypto to buy now, ? Token 6900 presale raises over 3 million, and they're very close to their launch. And it says, so what happens when a project is built from the ground up for this exact environment? That's what Token 6900 is doing. It's a self-aware, satirical drive into the internet culture designed to capture the chaotic energy of crypto itself. So it's getting very close to finishing. Next up, we have Aerodrome Finance. This is another one of those massive fundamental and utility-based coins, but it's a decentralized exchange where you can execute low-fee swaps, deposit tokens to earn rewards, and actively participate in the on-chain economy. It says Aerodrome is a meta DEX combining the elegant design, intelligent incentives, and battle-tested technology. And I really like this price action that we're seeing because it's got commitment and conviction. When it moves, this thing moves. You can see it drove from 200 mil all the way up to 1.5 billion, delivering a 7x, corrected to 300 mil, went back up to a billion plus. So it is a possible likelihood that we could see this thing maybe come down a little bit more for September, maybe 10 to 20 to 30%, like down to 80, 90 cents or something. And then we drive back up to that $2 region. So Aerodrome Finance is for sure another token that I'm looking at right now. And these coins, by the way, are available in exchanges like Bitchenix. So get yourself signed up, get those bonuses whilst they're available as well. And you're really going to enjoy this no KYC, globally accessible exchange. So for sure, Aerodrome Finance is there. And this is one that I think we could see hit $3 to $5 billion market capital in the next 5 years or so. What we got next? Ethereum Name Service. The reason is coins are pegged to Ethereum. like Ethereum Classic, ENS. If you believe Ethereum is going to do well, then I'm also bullish on the Ethereum alternatives and the ones that move well with Ethereum. So Ethereum Name Service is definitely going to be here for this particular reason. And you can see the price action really correlates heavily with the alt seasons. And, for example, went from $15 up to $42 in the last true alt season that we had in November and December 2024. So if we get another alt season at the end of the year, I expect ENS to drive somewhere between $40 and $50, which isn't an all-time high, but it is definitely some decent price action, and it could be a possibility. Next up, we have Virtuals Protocol. Virtuals Protocol is huge. AI agents are absolutely huge, and every now and then we get an AI run, an artificial intelligence season in the crypto space. So don't sleep on the Virtuals Protocol project here. Yes, the market capital had a huge run all the way up to $4 billion, but I do think we will see a recovery up to $1.5 to $2 billion at some point for Virtuals Protocol. Still got a very good market cap of 700 million over here, so don't sleep on its existence. Yes, it did go up massively and correct massively at the same time, over 90%. But there could be a chance that we bounce out this hole and see another $2 Virtuals Protocol. So I like to take the risk when most of people are not taking risks, right? You got to take the risks when everyone else isn't taking the risk and make that move silently, like a contrarian shark investor. Hey guys, please subscribe, like, comment, get yourself down below into the Discord. Consider becoming a patron if you want hands-on sort of trade signals, leverage signals, if you want trading indicators, which will help you grow in the market, education, all that juicy stuff. Just showing you some of the wins in the Discord recently. It speaks for itself. I don't need to say anything because you can see how big the gains are that the traders are making every single day. You can also enjoy these massive gains if you want to. Get yourself in the Discord. It's free to join. Discord down there. Community is everything, guys. You know this already. And before you go, please like this video, share this video, hit the notification bell if you could do so, because that will really help. And comment something below, whether it's nice or naughty. I don't mind. See you soon.